Hey guys, and welcome back. So I want to assure you that with the recent WordPress 7.0 major update, all my plugins are functional and will continue to work at full power using also this latest WordPress version. So you can update to this latest version because all my plugins will work. However, you need to check other plugins that you have on your site that they don't break or anything. So I recommend that you do a backup for your site before you update to this major version, because it brings many new features, many changes and many code changes from the WordPress core, so many plugins might break because of this. So be sure to back up your site and do the update afterwards. But in this video I want to assure you that all the plugins that I personally created will work with the WordPress 7.0 version, and all the plugins that were listed by me will continue to work. So Aimogen will also get updates really soon to be integrated with the recent features, the AI related features of WordPress 7.0. The connectors and the AI functionality will also be integrated with Aimogen. So this will also be finished, and I will do the announcement when it is ready. Until then, you can continue using Aimogen because it will work. I can show you that I created just a test post here and it is fully functional. It is also creating images, text, and everything is okay. Chatbot, content editor, and all other features are also tested and functioning. So if you want to update, be sure to back up your server and update afterwards, as my plugins are working, but I cannot guarantee for other plugins that they will continue to work, which you might have on your server. So this is all for today. I hope WordPress 7.0 will bring many cool functionality which you can use as well, and I will go to integrate it with Aimogen and to bring more power to both WordPress and Aimogen. So thanks for watching. This is all. Bye bye.